Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Prista Jamila and I am a biology teacher from Mantu Bogor. So today I'm going to talk about phonics. So what is phonics? Phonics is a method of learning to read. Learning phonics and learning to read is one of the most important stepping stones in early education as it gives your child the skills they need to move forward in every subject, so you simply cannot progress without it. Phonics help children hear, identify, and use different sounds that distinguish one word from another in the English language. Phonics have a big impact in helping many children learn to read and spell. Phonics is recommended as the first strategy that children should be taught in helping them to learn to read. It's helped children develop all the other vital reading skills and hopefully gives them a real love of reading. Understanding phonics will also help children know which letter to use when they are writing words. So, what is exactly phonics? To understand phonics, it is important to understand the difference between sounds that are said and sounds that are written. Words are made up from small units of sounds called phonemes. Phonics teaches children to be able to listen carefully and identify the phonemes that make up each word. This helps children to learn to read words and to spell words. A sound that is written is called a grapheme, and sounds that is said is called a phoneme. Phoneme and grapheme recognition come hand in hand. As your child starts to learn phonics, they will make an association between the two. For example, when you write the letter A, this is a grapheme. It makes the short A sounds like in ant, but when the short A is said, this is the phoneme. Written language can be compared to a code, so knowing the sounds of individual letters and how those letters sound when they are combined will help children decode words as they read. Dr. Marilyn Grain has practiced for many years as a local authority educational psychologist, has conducted research into systematic synthetic phonics and has created the government-approved sound discovery and rapid phonics programs using her extensive experience of working with children. Research has shown that phonics, when taught correctly, can be the most effective ways of teaching children to learn to read. Sounds are taught from easiest to harder, starting with single letter sounds and then moving on to two letters making a sound and then three and so on. Phonics works by breaking each word up into its individual sounds before blending the sounds back together to make a word. Children learn to decode words by breaking it down into sounds rather than having to memorize thousands of words individually. All over the UK, schools are using phonics as their preferred method of learning to read. Phonics was first introduced in the UK in 2012 by Dr. Marlon Grant and since then has had great results. Unlike learning words by sight and shape, phonics has provided students with the ability to learn a skill that enables them to work out how to read almost any word in the English language. There are three powers of phonics. Number one, phonics develop reading fluency. Phonics teaches children that letters they see written on a page are part of a code which represents the sounds of spoken language and provides them with the tools to understand that code. With this skill, they develop into fluent readers who are able to quickly recognize familiar words and to easily sound out new words they encounter. Number two, phonics develop reading comprehension. Phonics allows young readers to develop their reading comprehension. With practice, Kids' decoding skill becomes so automatic and they are able to concentrate on and easily understand the overall meaning of what they are reading. Number 3, phonics. Develop phonemic awareness. Phonemic awareness is the ability to understand how words are formed and to break them down into individual sounds. Phonemic awareness can be defined as the ability to hear and pronounce phonemes without access to print. A child needs to hear and say letter sounds without seeing them. Being aware of sound recognition is an important part of learning the link between letters and sounds. After phonemic awareness is developed, the next stepping stone is phonics, a method of learning reading that connects letters with phoneme. That is my understanding about phonics. I hope you will understand what I explained. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.